Ever wondered how to create interactive maps online? No need to search more. Whether you're a traveler mapping hidden gems, a historian tracing ancient civilization, or a business owner visualizing market trends, or a GIS expert, interactive maps transform information into experiences. Creating an interactive map is easier than you think. MAPOG lets you customize locations, add images, and even tell stories, all in just a few clicks. Let's take a look at an interactive map of New York's most famous landmarks. Drop points to mark locations. Upload images and descriptions for deeper insights. Customize your map with categories, routes, and themes. From education to tourism, research to business planning, interactive maps make complex data simple, engaging, and accessible. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime. Thank you for using MAPOG.